I'm Alex Chigg, the General Manager for Strategy at the National Australia Bank. For those of you who don't know, the NAB is 150 years old and is now one of the world's top 20 global banks.
Thanks, Alex. My name's Monty Hamilton. I'm the Head of Online at Ubank, which is a division of National Australia Bank. We're less than 2 years old.
So, Ubank is a key part of the overall direct banking strategy for the National Australia Bank. It provides a rapid innovation engine that can then be leveraged across the whole group. And we are very excited to be the first bank to come and present at Finovate. And we'd like to share with you today two things. Firstly, our award-winning online apply process. And secondly, our latest initiative, which we're calling Ubank Anywhere.
Thanks very much, Alex. Well, the Ubank website's not your typical bank website. One example of that is how customers can Skype our 24-hour call centre with one click, free of charge, from the site. But Alex touched on our award-winning online application process, and we want to take you through that in a little bit more detail. Getting started with the application, customers select the product they would like to apply, complete some additional details, including a capture code, which helps reduce fraud and malicious activity on the site. Step one of the process is all about personal details, not too dissimilar to your Amazon.com checkout site. Name, address, date of birth, all details captured online, including security details. One feature we'd like to highlight for you is the lookup of address. In Australia, we're able to look up customers' address using details supplied to verify its accuracy. Doing this helps ensure customers have provided us with an accurate address. It also is the first step to Ubank commencing an online identification process. We use this information to check the white pages and the Australian electoral roll to confirm identity. Okay, now for a bit of fun. Our customers can personalise their accounts with a name. And what better name today than Finovate Savings Account? Before submitting your online account application, all of the details are replayed to you on the screen. Of course, if you've made any typos or errors, you can correct those. In this case, we haven't, so we'll submit the application. Now, what's happening here is we're providing all of these details captured from the customer to our back-end banking system, and we're about to commence an online identification process. Now, as a direct bank, this is very important. We don't want our customers having to visit a post office or a branch to complete their identification check, so we're doing this all online. Now, some barriers exist with e-government in terms of how far commercial entities can use government and public data. In Australia, Ubank has pioneered and stretched the elastic on this to commence this identification process online. Today we'll show you how Australians can use their passport and Medicare card as two identification sources. The details from the Australian passport are entered online. These are confirmed real-time with the Australian Passport Office. Once verified, the customer receives confirmation of this on the screen and can then provide a secondary identification tool. In this case, we'll use Medicare card. Details are entered and confirmed with the Medicare database online real-time in Australia. The customer receives confirmation that their identity check is completed. They don't need to leave their desk. Their account's up and running. Most importantly, Ubank has achieved anti-money laundering regulation compliance, all in a paper-free environment. Now we're opening the bank account for the customer, real-time, straight-through processing. The customer receives an account number and all the options to deposit funds into their account straight away. All that's left to do now is enrol for online security. Oh, I've just got a text.
Thanks, Monty.
We send our customers a temporary password to their mobile phone provided during the application. This is entered online. Customers then verify that password and provide a more personal password for future use when accessing the site. Once the personalisation is complete, the customer is taken directly into Ubank's My Money service. Ubank My Money is our online banking service with all of the features you'd expect, including a few Web 2.0 experiences such as an interactive balance chart, premium content and customer forums. Now, Alex, that's an overview of our 5-minute bank account. Why don't we talk a little bit more about Ubank Anywhere, the exciting service we're going to launch today?
Thanks, Monty. So some of you might know Ubank has been one of the pioneers in social media banking over the last 2 years. With over 5,000 Facebook fans, it's now the most liked bank in Australia. It's got 2,500 Twitter followers and over 100,000 people have visited the YouTube channel. But our customers want more. They want us to be where they are, but we're not naive enough to think that ubank.com will ever be their homepage of choice. That's why Ubank Anywhere is all about integrating directly into the dominant online destinations of choice, including Facebook and iGoogle.
Absolutely. So today we're going to show you how Ubank Anywhere works with iGoogle. Now, security is obviously paramount. We're allowing customers to access their banking details on the Google website. Customers can only add the iGoogle gadget Ubank Anywhere once they've securely logged in to the Ubank website. They click to add the gadget. A SMS code is again sent to the customer's registered mobile phone. This is keyed in online and forms a verification step before the application can be added. Verification is successful, and the customer is taken to a familiar iGoogle page where they're able to confirm and add the Ubank Anywhere gadget. This is an important step. It marks the moving of the customer from the Ubank website to the familiar Google environment. And there it is. The Ubank Anywhere iGoogle gadget is available straight away on the customer's personalised iGoogle homepage.